Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you're watching to the Market Watch review. China reported that new house prices didn't fall last month. This is the first time this has been done since August 2021. However, the strong regional recovery of U.S. equities yesterday has slowed mainland equities progress. Stoxx 600 Europe is continuing to advance for the fourth consecutive session. U.S. futures are slightly softer. After falling to $1,830 yesterday, gold is stabilizing thanks to a softer U.S. dollar and lower interest rates. The year's low is $1,825. After yesterday's recovery from $77.50 to $79.75, April WTI is now steady. Asian Pacific market. Japan posted a record trade deficit of approximately 3.5 trillion yen last month, which was slightly lower than anticipated. Yesterday's JPY 134.35 was the highest level of the US dollar since January 6, when it was slightly higher than JPY 134.75. It has held above JPY 133.60 and is currently consolidating in a narrow range. The Australian jobs data was disappointing. The Australian dollar fell initially in response, but then recovered in the face of a wider pullback in US dollars. Australia reported a loss in employment of 11,500. Economists expected a 20,000 rise. Last week, the central bank announced a 25 BP increase. The next meeting will be on March 7. The Australian dollar held above $0.6855 despite testing yesterday's low of $0.6865 due to poor job data. Market of Europe. The euro rose above CHF 1.0 last July for the first time since then. Since then, the single currency has fallen to CHF's 0.9850. Switzerland reported a higher January CPI than anticipated, and the core rate is at 2% for first time in this century. The SNB will meet on March 23. Before it meets, the SNB will receive another inflation report. A 50 BP move, which would lift the policy rate up to 1.5%, is still possible. After falling to $1.08 Tuesday, the euro has stabilized after dropping to $1.0665 yesterday. Today, it was at $1.0725. Sterling also stabilized today. Yesterday, it traded briefly below $1.20 for the first week. However, it has not been below that level since January 5. Today, it is back at $1.2075. Market of America. Today's U.S. economic data includes PPI, weekly jobless claims, and housing permits and starts. Today, several Fed officials spoke, including Bullard from St. Louis Fed, who is one of the most prominent hawks. The U.S. dollar rose from CAD 1.3275 on Tuesday to CAD 1.3440 yesterday. This was likely due to U.S. data and volatility in U.S. equities. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.